वेट इसलिए करता हूँ, आरपीएम डाउन हो जाए ना थोड़ी तो बढ़िया रहती है गाड़ी। तो चलते हैं, ये डाला मैंने फर्स्ट गियर, स्टीयरिंग को घुमाते हैं। गाने गुने नहीं चलाऊँगा मैं बकवास करूँगा। देखते हैं निकल जाएगी, निकल गई है तो पहली बार में। बढ़िया भाई, निकाल दी गाड़ी। और गाड़ी स्टार्ट होते ही ना, ऐसी खड़ी गाड़ी में ही चलाता है, एक बार चल गया ना तो मैं ऑटोमेटिक ऐसे ऑन कर देता हूँ। कर दिया। अब तो शीशे भी खुले हुए हैं ताकि आवाज़ आ रही है। खड़ा हुआ कोई पत्ता पुत्ता। अब शीशे बंद कर दिए मैंने। यहाँ पे हमेशा रुकना चाहिए, देखना चाहिए उधर से कोई आ तो नहीं रहा, फिर नहीं कहा सकते। चल भाई, अभी आवाज़ इस पंखे की आ रही होगी ना, फुल पे चल रहा है। टेम्परेचर मैं कर देता हूँ इसको 22 कर देता हूँ, एसी का ना थोड़ा। लेफ्ट लेन में ही ले लेते हैं। अभी तक तो मैं वीडियो बना रहा था, ये नहीं है कोई पहली बार बनाई है मैंने। पर अब इसको सोच रहा हूँ पब्लिक पे डाल दूँ, पब्लिक डालेंगे, एक अलग सी प्लेलिस्ट बनाते हैं, पब्लिक वीडियो डाल दूँगा। इसमें क्या दिक्कत क्या है, वो थोड़ी है। रोड पे दिखती रहेगी, अपना चलता भी रहेगा, वाईफाई लगाई है, पैसे वसूलेंगे, यूट्यूब फ्री है, डाल देगा, उसमें क्या दिक्कत है। पेड होता तो सोचना है ना, बना देंगे और डल जाएगी, क्या पता किसी का काम आ जाए, मज़ा आए देखने में किसी को, या खुद ही बाद में देखूँगा मैं, अभी ऐसे गाड़ी चलाते हैं। चलो बढ़िया है, तो डाल देंगे इसको। बीच बीच में बोलता भी रहूँगा, कुछ आता जाए तो, नहीं तो चुपचाप अपना चलाएँगे, रोड पे देखेंगे कैसे कैसे लोग हैं। स्टीयरिंग को ऐसे पकड़ेंगे। अब गियर में फटाफट फर्स्ट सेकंड कर देता हूँ, क्योंकि हो जाती है सेकंड में। स्टीयरिंग को ऐसे पकड़ो भाई, ऐसे दिखाते हैं बिगनर्स। यहाँ पे पकड़ो 3 और 9 में। आगे भी ब्रेजा ही चल रही है, सीएनजी ब्रेजा। रुक गई, क्या हो गया? चल पड़ी, सेकंड गियर में शिफ्ट कर देता हूँ, लेकिन अब रुकी गई है, लाइट हो गई है तो रहने दे यार, गियर का डाल। अपना आगे रुक जाएगी जब तक चल रही, कुछ नहीं डाला था अपने, रोक दी। गाड़ी मेरे को लग रहा है आगे चल रही है, तो हैंड ब्रेक हल्की सी खींचती है बस। सही कर देता है इसको। गाड़ी को हल्का सा दे दूँ, राइट साइड में स्कूटी वाले भैया, हो सकता है कहीं मार मारना, हल्की सी आगे। आगे वाली कार मुड़ेगी लेफ्ट, so we have to move straight. Oh, there's a scooty coming from the right side. Now I will speak in English. Let's make it interesting, and I will speak some tutti frutti English so that something can be improved. Our rickshaw is coming. He will not stop. I have to stop only. Okay, let's give him a way. We have to follow him slowly. This is not the Pushpa movie that we will not jhukenga. We have to jhukega. It's Delhi. Should I pull the handbrake? Yeah, a little bit. The fan is getting down as the temperature is setting. The fan speed will be getting down. Why am I speaking in English? Actually, nothing is planned. Whatever comes from inside, I am doing that. I don't know what I am doing. It came from my mind that I should speak English, so I am speaking it. What's the harm? I don't know what other day I will do. It's completely random. Let's keep a distance. We have to move in first gear only because the speed of the traffic ahead is very low. A bus is also coming, TTC bus. We have to be careful because their bus is made up of iron or steel and it already had scratches. Oh, yellow light, so we have to stop here only. We will stop before the zebra crossing and we stopped here. Right. But bus will not stop. Even if it's red light, he will move. That's what it is. That's the truth. Okay, that guy is selling some puppies. They are moving, looking good. But I don't look at them. Whenever someone comes outside the window like this, I avoid eye contact with them and they will move away. Instead of saying no, I don't want, getting into a conversation with them, I simply avoid the eye contact and they will go ahead. Is the video even getting recorded or a button has been pushed and I am speaking alone without any? It's alright. Even if it's not recording, I am speaking. It's only improving myself. How can I check? I can't check. Now when we will reach the destination, then only we can check. This road has too much red lights. This one is a major one. Every red light should be converted into a U-turn light, U-turn based, so that traffic keeps on moving. Like there in the Rohini West metro station, it was also light and too much traffic jam was there. It was also a crossing, four-way crossing. But properly see, the entire lane gets disturbed due to that scooty guy. The car is saying me to change the gear to 4th gear. Let's give a way to right side. Here is the learning. I will not change the lane. This is what we have to see while driving the car from left to right, everywhere. We have to keep track. No one is coming? Yeah. Let's go. Yes, the indication comes early that change the gear to 4th. But I feel like we should not be in a hurry to change gear because it will give jerks. Let the RPM be above 2 and between 2 and 3, like 2500 RPM. Basically, I found that gear changing is not related to RPM, it's related to speed. Even if we have to give high RPM, but the speed is not there, so it will lead to jerks. So in the first gear, until and unless the speed reaches 20 above or 20 above 10, then we should not change the gear. Why the people are stopping here? They are confused. Oh, it's because of defaulters there. The right lane is also there. We have put the 3rd gear. I think we have to downshift here because it's some merging traffic ahead. And maybe 1st gear, yes, the speed is becoming 0. To pick up, we have to change the gear to 1st, and now again 2nd. This is the manual car. We have to keep shifting gears, and mostly 1st, 2nd, 3rd. These are the very common ones. Oh, the bus is coming. We have to get away from it because he doesn't care whether he gave us crash. What would I do? I can't run behind him. Where would I complain? So that's the reason. The smart or the practical way is to step back ahead yourself. What would you do with a label of innocent or that was not my mistake? It's your car that will be getting damaged. So that's what's my point. See, the e-rickshaw was coming wrong side. It doesn't have any fear, see triple riding. Okay, so I think the mom has reached. Should I answer the call? हेलो हाँ बस पहुँच गया, ले रहा हूँ अंदर ही. ठीक है. Okay, so we have reached our destination and we will close the video here only because my mom will sit here, so the view will be obstructed from the front. And why should I record anybody else? I have right to record myself only, right? So this is all for today. I will close once I reached. Oh, see, the rickshaw is also there. Lady driver, I feel are nice if they learn how to drive a car. They try very nicely and try to follow all rules than the boys who think they are the best and though they are the expert. See, the car driver, we have to continuously press the horn because people, they are unaware. Oh, who's this number? 92402, I don't know. Let's pick this up and check the number.